Okirano Tilaya is the head boy at Kashmir High School in Christchurch.
After high school, I intend to study around the areas of political science and international relations, either at a university in New Zealand or in the United States. After getting a degree, I hope to get a chance to volunteer and work in the Pacific, just creating change in the Pacific and just helping out in those communities, especially for my home Samoa. I also hope to create a brighter and more equitable education system in New Zealand for Pasifika youth, our next generation, our next leaders, so that they can succeed and just reach their full potential.
As a Pacific Youth Ambassador working alongside government representatives in Aotearoa, Okirano already has his plan mapped out, and that's to empower Pacific youth to pursue education.
My words of inspiration for youth in Samoa is to work hard and never give up. Our ancestors never gave up, so why should we doubt ourselves in what we do and give up on ourselves? As a role model of mine once said, do not be afraid to be the first. The first to graduate, the first to climb, the first prime minister, or the first good wife. So do not be afraid to be the change. Not a change in skin tone or colour, but a change in mindset. And lastly, be strong in your faith and know who you are in Christ. For Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me.
Okirano's parents were both born and raised in Samoa and moved to Aotearoa to provide a better future for their family and give their children the best shot at education. Okirano's plans to study political science and international relations will continue advocating on behalf of Pacific youth. He believes education and believing in yourself that no matter who you are, where you come from, that you determine your own success. Utita Antelea for Telephone.